Some days, all you really want is something simple, warm and comforting. That's where khichdi comes in. The ultimate one-pot meal that's light on the stomach and full of flavor. Let's get started. In a large bowl, take rice and split green gram or moong dal. Wash them well together, rinsing a couple of times until the water runs clear. Now add fresh water and let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. While this soaks, let's prepare the tempering. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker. Once hot, add cumin seeds, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, and whole black peppercorns. Now add ginger and finely chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds until fragrant. Next, add chopped onions. Cook them until they turn soft and translucent, but make sure they don't turn brown. Add chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Season with salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add in the soaked rice and dal. Drain and add them directly into the cooker. Mix everything well so the flavors come together. Now pour in the water. You can adjust the quantity depending on the consistency you prefer. Less water for a thicker khichdi, more for a softer porridge-like texture. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Then let it simmer for a few more minutes on a low flame. Once the pressure releases, open the cooker. Stir or gently mash the khichdi to get that creamy consistency. To finish, add some freshly grated carrots and chopped coriander leaves. Whether you are feeling under the weather or just want an easy, no-fuss dish, this humble comfort food always hits the spot. Serve it hot with a drizzle of ghee, pickle or curd. Until next time, eat well, live well and stay blessed.